In this video, we're going to take a look at configuring the Peppermint connector and then using Peppermint to add files into a bundle. First, I need to navigate to Connectors. This is the backstage view where you will need to configure your Peppermint connector. These details can be provided by your IT team or Peppermint directly. We here at Zylpha or the team at Peppermint can also help with the initial setup. Once I've completed the credentials, I can click Check Login. I'm then prompted that my login was successful and asked whether I want to save the details. I can click Yes and then continue to the new tab. Here I can open the basic template to start a bundle. This is the bundle main view, which includes your sections, documents, and bundle layout preview panes. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a Peppermint tab, which is where you can find all your files and documents stored in Peppermint. By default, the panel shows your most recent matters. To view the documents in a matter, double-click on a matter reference. I can then navigate through the files stored in Peppermint. I can now drag and drop folders into the sections area, or add a new section and add files into the Documents panel. If you drag and drop a document, it will be added to the section which is highlighted. I can then navigate through the bundle using the Sections area to see the documents in each of the sections. I can now add my further sections. Within the Peppermint connector, you can also locate files using the filter. As you type, the files will be filtered depending on your search. The files can be added from Peppermint by double-clicking, by dragging and dropping, or by highlighting and clicking the Select button. I can also add several documents by clicking Control and dragging and dropping. In order to save your bundle back into Peppermint, click on the File tab at the top of the screen. Select Save and then choose Peppermint as your save location. You can then navigate through your matters to find a relevant save location. And click Save. I can then navigate back to the bundle by using this arrow button and create the PDF using the Create PDF button. I can create this as a draft bundle in order to confirm the settings and details by clicking the Create as non-chargeable draft bundle and then clicking Yes. Bundling will then generate the file by converting all of your documents to PDF, creating hyperlinks, bookmarks, and page numbering. You can then preview your watermarked draft bundle, which contains your documents from Peppermint.